What is up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another wave video. As you know it, as you probably could tell, because you know that's all I've been dropping lately. I got some more stuff coming out, some packer stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna do any vlogs because we quarantine, we don't got nothing to do. But speaking of quarantine, today I'm gonna be letting you guys know how to maintain your 360 waves while this quarantine is going on, while we stuck in the house or wherever you may be, barbershops closed, stuff like that. I'm about to teach y'all how to maintain y'all waves, so stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, you already know, gotta take off the do-rags. As you can see, I don't got the regular black silky on. It's a velvet do-rag, and I double compress. You know, it's getting a little hectic out there, man. It's getting a little hectic. You gotta start double compressing. At a certain point, when your hair gets like longer and longer, you gotta start double compressing. It's mandatory. You have to. If not, your hair will not lay down. As you know, I got de-rag, so let's go ahead and show y'all the wave. Woo! Oh my God! Oh my God, the boy! Y'all don't even know. Let me. Oh my Jesus Christ! It's looking sweet. It's looking sweet, boy. I might want to stay for a thing or two, because as y'all can see, even with all this hair on my head, it's still looking sweet and certified. So y'all can learn a thing or two right now. Psych! Let's go ahead and get into the tips for y'all and tell y'all what y'all need to do. So actually, before I even did this video, I did how I would want to do it in this video. So I did the technique I was thinking about doing, and this is the results. I just didn't add any moisturizer to my hair yet, because I wanted to do it in the video. I didn't want to add some earlier and then add some now. But it's going to be the same thing. It's just going to have more moisture in my hair. So first things first, you want to use the comb. You got to get a comb. Either, this is for like when you're woofing and stuff, but my hair is not like, it's almost to where I have to use this side, but right now I'll be using the little side. And you just want to do a comb session first. You want to comb your hair. It's going to lift up, but we got techniques to put it, lay it back down so it could look like this beauty on my head right here. All right, so let me start this comb session for y'all. Okay, so as you can see, I combed everything with the grain. Earlier, I went against the grain, so that's why I didn't do it this time, but it's also good if you go against the grain, but only do that if your waves are trained. Don't just be 3 weeks in waving and stuff and you going against the grain, you're going to mess your progress up. Only if your waves are trained, you want to go against the grain. But if you can't comb your hair yet, it's okay, you don't have to comb it. But most of the time when you're woofing and stuff, your hair should be long enough where you could do a comb session and stuff like that. After that, you want to hit it with the hard brush. Now, this hard brush I had for some time. I've never used it until today. And that's because I don't usually woof long and stuff like that. But because of the quarantine, you know, I gotta woof. So, you know, just use the hard brush and go over. It kind of hurts because my hair is still not very long. But it does help with laying it down and stretching out my waves. So I'm gonna just do a quick brush session for y'all and stuff like that. So let me get into it. Alright, so after that brush session, you know, next thing you want to do is just keep going down. So either, I have a hard brush, but you can also use a medium hard brush. Either one, whatever. I probably would need the medium hard right now because that actually hurt it and stuff. but it helps stretch my waves out a little bit more and get to the grain and stuff. Also, if you seen like a line in the back of my head or something, that's because I had the do-rags on and stuff. And down there where the line is, usually I get faded, so my hair doesn't like be there, so it's never waves down there and stuff like that. So it might be wavier than the line and it's just straight hair and stuff like that. But that's because I get it faded back there, because I get the tint fade, and on the sides, like right here and stuff. That's why there's no waves like this close, but it's waves up here, then it just goes straight. I don't usually have hair there. But next, I'm just gonna go ahead and transition to my medium brush. So I'm gonna hit y'all with a quick wave, a quick brush session on that, and then we're gonna get into some more juicy things. So let's go ahead and go. Alright, so as you can see, it lays my hair down more than the hard brush would have. And if you actually have a soft brush, which I don't have mine, it's still over my cousin's house. I don't see him, so I don't know when I'm ever get that back. Use your soft brush next. Me, I don't have one, so what I can do is try to go use the paper bag, plastic bag method. I'll do that off camera because I don't have it with me and I don't want to have to go get it and stuff. You can either use a soft brush, a plastic bag, or you can use both. Both will really help your waves better than just using one or the other. So if you can use both, then use both. After you do that, I recommend putting in some moisturizer. I just got leave-in conditioner, so we just go ahead and get some of that. Now, depending on your hair, it depends how much you'll have to use. I don't really know the correct amount yet because I just started using this. So sometimes I do a little, sometimes I do a lot. Right now I'm doing a lot. So let's see how this goes. Yeah, I might have put a little too much. Sometimes, depending on your hair length, your hair may want to curl after that, which is why I don't use the other stuff that I have. I forgot what it's called. It's like curling cream or something like that. And my hair is naturally curly, so it will just automatically curl. That's why I don't use it. But right after you put something in it, you want to go back and hit another brush session. I'm gonna use my medium brush, and then we're gonna show you guys the do-rags, and that'd be it. And for this brush session, you want to use the hand over brush technique just to help you stretch your waves and stuff like that, and make sure that they lay down. So that's what you'll see me doing. So right after this, very first thing you want to do is put your do-rag on. You don't want your hair to get no chance to stand up and stuff. Have this thing laid down. I'm just gonna put mine on. I'm not gonna show you guys. If you want to learn how to tie your do-rags, you could go and look. I'll put it up in the cards. And we're gonna be doing double compression and stuff. So if you want to learn more about that, also I got a video on that. It's gonna be up in the cards as well. So go click on both of those if you need any help with tying your do-rag or double compression. Make sure to watch it. They're great videos. And now I'll just be back when I got my do-rags on. Alright, so as you can see, I did it. You got the silky right there, and this is the velvet or whatever, suede, whatever it is. Do-rags on, both of them. And this just make sure your hair lays all the way down. It's gonna be how it was when I first showed you guys. And as you can see, like some of my hair, as I said earlier, it's still curly and stuff, but that's just, that part of my hair is not trained because I'm always in the barbershop cutting them off. So it probably get trained over this quarantine because it don't got nothing else to do. It's not coming off probably. Well, actually, I don't know. I was thinking about cutting my own hair. So if y'all want to see that video, please just have this video do outstanding. I need like 15 likes and like 40 views. If you could get that, I'd cut my own hair. I don't know about the shape up. I might do the shape up. But if y'all really enjoyed this video, make sure you like it. Make sure to subscribe to me and help me grow the community. Go ahead, comment something. I love any feedback that you guys have. And with that being said, it's been your boy, and I'm out. Peace.